I'm Dave Cragen, project coordinator for Stilewood International Door and Window. On this project, we're using a 125-ton crane. Usually we don't need anything quite that big, but it's about 160 feet. We got to reach with about 1,100 pounds of window. For this lift, it was quite a bit of organization because we had to shut down part of the road, and in West Vancouver we need permits for that and flaggers and everything. The crane took a couple hours to set up. They had to put all their extensions on their boom so that they could reach it without extending their whole crane out too much because it has a lot of weight. We're relying on our power cups a lot. Depending on what's required on the project, the owner might need the view of a side of a mountain, needs a big 220 square foot piece of glass. We can reach up to 200 feet over the house. At Stilewood, we're one of the leading authorities on this kind of installation. With the windows, we put insulation clips on them before we put them in the openings. As we crane them in, we just drop them down on the bottom, make sure everything's level first. Tilt the window up so it's plumb. Put the screws in the clips into the wall. And then we can walk away from it for a while. Before we leave tonight, we're finishing leveling and screwing off the windows. It's a lot more complicated than it looks. By the end of the day, everybody knows exactly what they're doing and everything just flies along and smooth as ever.
My name's Ethan from Louis Vancouver Construction. I'm the site manager for this project. At the beginning, we are looking for a really good window company. We heard about the Stilewood is really good, so we want to give it a try. And yeah, I think we made a good choice. Dave is knowledgeable and his crew is amazing. I was really happy to work with them.